much. So let's move on to another story. It's a tribute to the legendary, the Milkha Singh. So let's go ahead with this video. So this is a story of a 7-year-old boy who got injured while playing, not just once, but twice. One was with a football and another one was with a tennis ball. Initially, the corneal tear was repaired, which was done elsewhere. But after second injury, he was diagnosed to have cataract and a closed funnel retinal detachment. And the patient presented to us for the opinion whether it can be operated. And the parents were very persisting that we have to go on. So we decided to plan for the surgery. And this was a kind of traumatic cataract with a hazy cornea. So I just went ahead, put a infusion in the AC and did a lensectomy, put my second port, and there it comes, a complete closed funnel RD.
Go, son. Do it.
Aho. So with the prayers of the Lord, the race started. So the challenge here was to first break the attachments which are underneath the retina. I did a vitrectomy. After relieving the attachment in the subretinal area, now the next challenge is to see whether this retina opens up or not. And slowly, with the help of the light pipe and the cutter, I tried to remove these attachments as much as possible. And now the clue is to go in step-by-step PFCL. So inject a little bit. Now we can see the nasal part of the retina slightly opening up. But on the temporal part, we can see there is a lot of blood clots. The subretinal blood clots were removed. You can see the subretinal gliotic bands. And there was too much of blood underneath the retina, which was clotted and which was stuck. It's always better to remove it because we all know the subretinal blood is always toxic. And again, little more in the second attempt, we can see the retina settling little better more. And in the temporal part, there was a little bit of traction where I had to do a little retinectomy, injected more PFO now. Now we can see there was still some temporal traction which was persisting. Removed again the subretinal gliotic. So this was a very small window I had to operate. And it unfolded very well. Fluid air exchange was done. And now we can finally see the very well settled retina through the small window. And our fellow has named it as a window of hope. And silicone oil was injected. And finally, that was the race which we had to do it for that little boy, bring in some vision in that little boy. And this is that little boy. And the kind of smile we get, that's the real happiness in VR surgeon's life. And this video is the tribute to Milkha Singh. Pray our God to rest his soul in peace.
Thank you, Srinivas. I think when there is a closed funnel, then everybody says that you can't operate. And I think the team Multifocal, Bombay Multifocal has shown it. Yes, if